canva.com. For most of you, your page might look like this one, wherein yung create a design is right below your name. So go ahead and click that one, create a design. For some of you, it might look like this one. So ganito yung itsura ng homepage ko. Go ahead and click create a design on the upper right-hand corner or upper left-hand corner of your screen. Click presentation for the purpose of this exercise. Yung nakikita nyo ngayon, if you just open the presentation, is what we call an editor. Sa editor natin, you'll see a blank. Sa editor, you'll see sa upper left-hand file, view, resize, and then in this side, you have the option to rename your design. So it's good for organization purposes. So for this one, I renamed it C for E-Workshop. And then you can just go ahead and double click that if you want to edit it. Say Canva for education. And then sa page, you can change the title, and then you'll see icons here just right above on the upper right-hand side of the page. Merong add presenter notes, and then there's this copy page and trash, and then add a page. So yung copy page, what it does is basically just copy the whole layout of the page that you duplicated. So I'll delete that. And then the add page basically just adds another page right after it with or without the image or the layout on that specific page. Okay, so that was just a quick run through of our editor. Just for everyone's sake, this is the whole page where we have our tools is what we call the editor. To the first lesson on our agenda, which is keyboard shortcuts. The first lesson is to create a text box. Once you're on the page where you want to create your text box, you can go ahead and just click T. So whether you're using Mac or Windows, you can just click T, tapos lalabas kagad yung text box in the middle. So meron siyang placeholder nakasulat, your paragraph text. What we can do is, as soon as you click T, you can double click that text box. So pag dinouble click nyo siya, nakikita nyo na-highlight yung text sa loob ng text box. So if you double click, ma-highlight lahat. And then you can go ahead and edit that to the text that you want to put. So siguro sa akin, have a nice day. The good thing about this text box is na-edit nyo din po yung font nung text na sinulat nyo. If you look at yung toolbar sa may top side ng editor, makita nyo may font, list of fonts. If you click font sa may upper toolbar, so you can go ahead and siguro choose a font that you like. Siguro itong script font para cute. Yeah, so nabago yung font na tinype ko. You can actually change the font size. Right beside that font, merong number kayong makikita. So yun yung font size ng text nyo. So right now, naka 40 siya. So maybe kaya nating i-raise up to 100. Ayan, so medyo malaki ano. So if you see the text box, meron po tayong makitang parang mga knobs dun sa corner ng text box. Kaya natin siyang i-adjust if i-click natin and then drag. If I drag it, makita nyo po na nag-a-adjust yung text. So go ahead and just play with it on your slide. Dun sa toolbar, marami pa po kayong options na makikita to change your settings sa font. May option to change your spacing. Ito pong arrow and lines malapit sa effects. So what this does is kaya nyong i-adjust yung line height and then yung letter spacing. So yung line height is basically yung space sa gitna ng bawat word or bawat sentence. Say, bawasan ko to ng konti, 1.3. So yun, lumiit po yung text ko, text space ko. Ayun, I feel like we can play with it as we go along. Pero marami pa tayong cool tricks. So, for example, na-stuck kayo sa pagpili ng font. Meron po tayong preset na font pairing. So, if you look at our left-hand side sa may objects panel, you'll see templates, styles, photos, elements, text. Go ahead and click text. So ayan, once you click text, makita nyo po maraming font pairings that were thoughtfully done by our amazing designers at Canva. Iba-iba yung style niya depending on your use. So, kung gusto mong gumawa ng posters, Valentine's Day cards, Christmas cards, marami pong magandang font pairings nandito, pati pang Halloween, meron din siya. Ayun, so pang menu, meron din. So, naka-set up na siya for you. If you just click one that catches your attention, let's say, ano ba yung gusto kong piliin? Let's say for the purpose of this exercise, gusto kong magsulat ng quote. Pipili ako ng magandang font na may pairing ng malaking sans font and then small font for the name of the person who said the quote. I'll choose this one. So go ahead and choose yung gusto nyong font pairing. If you click right on the font pair, it automatically drops it in the middle of your page. If you move it around, makita nyo naka-group siya. Later on, I'll teach you how to group and ungroup. But for now, sige, I'll teach you how to edit the font pair that was set up for you. Go ahead and double click yung text box, and what that does is it highlights the text inside that text box so that you can edit. So let's say I'll put a quote that says, "Every problem is a solution in disguise." So this was said by a very wise woman, Canva, and a very influential leader. And then nagsistay yung font that was chosen. So you can edit the text pero hindi nagbabago yung font that was chosen for you. Sige, keep your font pairing. Let's say you have that font pair. Okay ka na dun sa quote mo or dun sa card mo, sa message mo.